In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Strava with your Garmin watch. So do you want Garmin workouts to appear on Strava automatically? This step-by-step guide shows you exactly how to connect the two and start syncing your activities seamlessly. So first is download and launch the Garmin Connect app. So ensure your Garmin watch has Bluetooth enabled and install the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Then sign into your Garmin account. Next is connect Garmin to Strava. So in the Garmin Connect app, tap Settings or the More tab, select Connected Apps, then Strava, then tap Connect with Strava, sign into your Strava account, and allow all permissions. After that, turn on Activity Sync. Make sure Activity Sync is enabled so your Garmin workouts upload to Strava automatically. After that, sync your Garmin device. So after connecting, record a workout on your Garmin watch, then sync your device with the Garmin Connect app using Bluetooth. After that, Garmin will then automatically send your activity to Strava, and it will also sync past activities from up to 1 year ago. And here's the manual upload, so it could only do if it's needed. So if an activity doesn't appear on Strava, export the activity file. It can be .fit, .gpx, or .tcx from Garmin Connect or directly from your device's activities folder. Then visit strava.com/upload/select and upload the file manually. And here are some pro tips. So keep both apps updated. Make sure Garmin Connect and Strava are running the latest versions. Then fix sync issues. So if syncing fails, disconnect and reconnect Strava under Connected Apps in Garmin Connect. And check device compatibility. Most Garmin Forerunner, Phoenix, Edge, and Vivo Active models support Strava syncing. And that is basically it.